Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use FModel for Fortnite. First, you will need to download the FModel application. Always get it from a reliable source to ensure security and the latest features. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a dedicated folder on your computer. This keeps everything organized and ready for use. Make sure your system has the necessary dependencies installed for smooth operation. Next, open the FModel application. You will need to direct it to your Fortnite game files. Navigate to the Settings or Configuration menu within FModel. Locate the option to set the game path and input the exact location of your Fortnite installation folder. After setting the path, FModel will begin scanning and loading all the game's assets, which might take a few moments depending on your system. With the game files loaded, you can now browse through the vast collection of assets. Use the search bar or various filters to quickly find specific items like character models, weapon textures, or sound effects. FModel allows you to preview many assets directly within the application. Once you have found what you need, select the desired assets and choose your preferred export format, then initiate the extraction process. After extraction, your assets are ready for use. You can import them into various three-dimensional modeling software, game engines, or other creative projects. Remember to always respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators when utilizing these assets. Finally, keep your FModel application updated to ensure compatibility with the latest game versions and to access new features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.